Hi everyone. You might recognize me from a couple of videos that I made a while back. One of them called Git for Minecraft, where I essentially built like a version control tool inside of Minecraft with like Git-like commands, I guess, and also like a 3D diff with your blocks, as you can see. And I also built another project called Code Mafia, which is like Among Us for coders. So first, I have to tell you about what happened with my life ever since these two videos were posted on my channel. First of all, I wasn't expecting much from having uploaded this video to YouTube, right? Like I thought that it was just going to be another one of my I had like 200 subscribers back then. I had like maybe like 500 views and like, that's it. I thought that that's where it was going to end. But for some reason, the YouTube algorithm decided to push my videos so much that people started like posting it on X and YC Hacker News and Reddit, etc. And my video blew up so much that I ended up even getting recruited by a startup for this summer for an internship. And so I think it's safe to say that these hackathon projects have really, really changed my life. And I'm extremely grateful not only for the algorithm to have pushed my videos, but also for you. I'm extremely grateful that you all have been supporting me in my journey as I try to become a better programmer and as I keep building cool things. Anyway, without any further ado, let's talk about my new project, which is Ghost Player. So essentially, here's the context. There was a hackathon back in March called Hack Canada 2026, which is one of Canada's largest hackathons in Waterloo, and I went solo all the way from Montreal to Waterloo. I went there to build Ghost Player, which is essentially an autonomous agent that can play your video games for you. And I demoed it using Minecraft because I love Minecraft as you can tell. So here's what happened. I actually ended up winning first place most technically complex AI hack at the hackathon, and I got in touch with some really cool people from a startup. And yeah, that's pretty much it. It was really mind blowing that I won first place for that prize solo. So here's the project. Essentially, it's an autonomous agent I'm gonna basically show you a demo video that I recorded like really quickly for the hackathon. So, as you can see here, I'm in the game and I'm standing away from a tree and I have like these items in my inventory. You'll see that I'm just far enough from the tree so that you can't like actually break it. So you have to, if you wanted to break it, you would have to like move forward. Okay. Anyway, so here I have a kind of little web app that I had opened for Ghost Player where you can essentially type a goal for your agent. So you'll see, I'm gonna prompt it. There are two trees in front of you, etc. It's gonna finish. I'm just gonna finish the prompt. Okay. So one of them is straight ahead. Chop both of their logs with your axe. So then you start, you go back to the game, and then you let the agent do its magic. So as you can see, it realizes that it's too far from the tree, so it reconciliates with that and decides to move forward, which is pretty cool. Then it detects that the tree is in front of it and it starts breaking it. So now, as you can see, I think it accidentally thought that the tree was completely chopped. I don't really know why, but anyway, it's gonna move on to the next tree. Here I was just lagging a little bit, but essentially it's figuring out that it's supposed to move rightwards with the cursor. So now it sees the tree and it's gonna start trying to break it. It's almost there, and there you go. It successfully chops the tree, and that's pretty much it. So you might be wondering now, why would you want AI to play your video games? Like the video game is for you, and I get that. But I think the real question is, why would you not want to check or at least like test out if AI can play your video games for you? You can read more about this on my website, ghostplayer.vercel.app. But essentially, there's a lot of research interest to see how your autonomous agents can get better at playing video games, but also be general enough to not have to rely on game specific APIs or pipelines that strongly. So, for example, Google DeepMind, Microsoft, OpenAI, etc., they are currently building massive models that are trained on millions of hours of gameplay footage, and they're really, really good at playing specific video games, but they're not general enough because of the way that they're built, game specific. So I thought it'd be interesting to experiment and see if we could build an autonomous agent that would be good at playing video games, just like as a human would learn to play video games. So they watch your screen and reason about what they see in real time. And if you're interested in the architecture of how I actually built this, you can check out my dev post. Here are some schemas for the state machine that I used for the agent and the overall architecture. And yeah, there's essentially more information here as to why I built it, how I built it, etc. on my dev post, which I'll leave in my description. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you soon.